Sean, what do you expect from
The
the mall here in the
I
Philippines?
expect to finally see again so I can get some glasses there.
Yay!
Wow!
Ikaw, ano na-expect mo?
Where are you going?
Pia, that's sinabi mo kung ano yung ingat.
Take care. Ingat.
Safe.
Take care. Bye, Jessie.
Paano sabi na namin? Na-translate na.
She?
EJ.
Of course.
You said take care. I was like,
Eto, Pia, gusto mo lipstick?
Take care. Take care. Ingat.
I was like,
Take her.
Bye, ingat.
Yung ano mo, anak mo nga siya.
Wow, kasama pala si Baby Gab Gab.
Si Invisible.
Tulungan niya ako sa...
baby Gab's coming.
Let's go, Gab! Gabing! Let's go.
Si Ate Hershey ang kanyang ano ngayon, Mami. Mami Hershey.
Let's go. Doon ako sa likod. Me too.
Is that from Uniqlo?
Let's go. At Dayan! Open! Open!
Then, dadali mo pa ba to?
Oo, sila Pia. Akin na yung kanyang gamit.
Ay, gusto
Gusto
ko rin
ni
yun. Hi guys!
Pagpasalubong niya.
For today's video, we are taking Sean to
And
the
EJ.
mall.
Yay! No, you're like a bully.
Wait, so Sean, what do you expect from
The
mall here in the
I
Philippines?
expect to finally see again so I can get some glasses there.
Yay!
Wow!
Ikaw, ano yung expect mo? I have no expectation.
Dadala niya Pia yung ano sa club ni Papa.
No expectations at all.
Yeah.
Not even that I'll see again.
Pagpasok
Na-
na ng
Oh wow.
Para kultur na ano na talaga siya.
Baka
Mahal
naman sabihin,
yung
ay bayad niya, hindi nagbayad. Tapos ang presyo doon, 300.
Hindi sasabihin doon ano.
Tama, ang laki. Tama, EJ,
Sabi
it's
niya.
too big.
Yeah, I told him.
Yeah.
Too big.
But your brother and your mom and your dad both think they look phenomenal on me.
Phenomenal.
Hindi ko
Wow.
ma-spell yan.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko ma-pronounce.
Parang pang ano, pang Eliza Valdez. Phenomenal.
Hindi ko nadala yung dictionary ko. Pia.
Sabi mo yung maleta mo ng English, dadalhin mo.
Nadala ko naman. Nagamit ko kanina.
Nilagay niya sa Trader Joe's. What can you say? That's good. Okay. You're like
Nung nagpunta
diving.
kaming kultura sa Ilocos.
Maganda.
Eh, puro Ilocos yun na andun.
Ay,
Ko-
alam mo
ay,
nun.
yung, ano. Eh,
Gusto ko yung pang,
nga,
pang
iba-iba.
all around the world. Para kunyari,
Sabi ni
nalikod
Lola,
may
ba't ang
building.
laki-laki naman ng t-shirt na binili mo?
Eh, pang,
Eh,
kay,
pang
kay,
malaki kasi.
kay TJ kasi yun.
Oh, mas...
Sino ba si TJ?
Si Tender Juicy. Sino ba kasi yun, EJ? Ikaw kaya ganyanin.
Parang ayoko, parang natuto.
Sabi ko, i-interviewin ko. Sabi ko, ay, wag na pala.
English din.
You know, TJ,
No, what are you guys talking about right now?
EJ's boyfriend.
Yeah.
I'm doing what she's doing to you.
And what does that mean?
I'm gonna interrogate her ano ba?
Oh.
Her boyfriend.
Why? To make sure he's honest and true and pure of heart?
Yes. And make sure he's the one.
Parang kaya yung sinabi ko kanina. Yan yung sinabi ko
But
talaga.
I've decided maybe next time because I'm gonna practice my English first.
Okay.
That's fair.
Give me 2 years.
2 years. Ang tagal naman.
Oh, come on, give yourself more credit than that. You'll probably need 3.
Three daw.
Akala ko 3 months, 3 months.
No, 3 years.
Ah?
I'm joking. Please don't slap me.
My heart is broken.
Wow. Wow. Paano yan?
Here. Dito pala. Ay, dito. Dito ata yun. Papatayin ko na.
Ah, tama na.
Bye-bye, guys. We'll see you in the mall. Bye.
Bye.
Transition. We're at Mernel store.
Huh?
Mernel's. You still have cash?
She what?
Cash? You bring cash your wallet. Cash.
I got my wallet.
Okay.
Wait, nakatutok ba sa atin?
Hindi.
Guys,
Ayan, go.
we're here trying to get some
Heart.
pastries. Some cake.
Masarap din to. Tsaka, or ito. Itong heart na maliit.
Yung maliit
Ito
lang.
mayema to sa loob.
Yung maliit lang.
This one.
Yan. Ano papalagay natin? Happy birthday.
We're getting cake?
Yeah.
Welcome home.
For what?
For
For
what
you.
daw ang cake? For normal day.
You love me.
Alam ko na wala lang. Wala lang.
Babaguhin ko na lang yung accent ko.
What cake do you want?
This one.
That's mom.
Isa pong maliit na to.
You message me.
Ano po? Wala lang nakalagay. Ayun lalagay natin.
Happy trip.
Happy trip. Happy trip saan?
Wala ano.
Yun kasi.
Ano ba na? Yan. Iniwan ko na yung cellphone ko doon.
Wala lang.
Happy trip nga.
Ah, saan nga?
Sa ano? Sa Santa
Ah,
Rosa.
sige. Happy trip. Here, when you buy a cake, you need to put something like message. Ah, hindi. Pag umalis kayo, niya ipopost natin.
Happy trip. Ate sana nilagay
Safe
mo yung
flight.
Ay, safe flight na lang.
Okay na din yun.
So next time na lang. Wala naman pulbo.
Wala nga. Paano pa pagising dyan? Ang mahal naman ang insay mother. Sandoon.
O tayo ito, yung semana.
Ate, buksan mo na nga ito.
Alam, may initan to. Tago. Tinago ko yung tubig. Ah, pang refill natin yan dun sa
Refill
tubig.
yun, di ba kasi may yellow ka?
Happy birthday, Sean.
Oh, that's my birthday?
Yeah,
How old am I?
21.
I'm time traveling now.
Yeah.
Only backwards.
This is Lydia's lechon. Lechon. Picture mo itong lechon, EJ. You take a photo with the lechon. Smile.
Dinaig yung mango mo.
Alin? Ayaw nga. Oo nga, peke. It's free. Which one you think I like? Hindi ako marunong mag-ganito.
Kung anong cravings sa mga tagayo.
Barbecue lang ang gusto.
Sisig. Lechon. Tsaka yung
Lechon.
paksiw.
This is what you go here.
What?
This is what they sell here.
Over there?
Yeah.
I
Ito,
was gonna
kaya
get
itong
the
tatlo. Sisig, paksiw, tsaka yung lechon.
some hot sauce.
Ano? Ito.
Sige.
What?
Ilan? Isa nito?
Isa lang. Sige, isa.
Tigit-tigisa tayo?
Hindi, I mean order.
Ah, pero it's gonna be share.
Like family.
Sharing. Sharing.
Well,
Yeah.
that's what I was saying. I don't know what you guys want to do. That's why I'm curious.
Mango girly. EJ likes watermelon.
Gusto mo po
Sa big-
si Gaga. Gaga, gusto mo upo ka sa upuan.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. You tell them salamat po. You tell salamat po.
Bia,
Oh, yeah.
you ordered
There.
this?
Kay Ishan. Isa mo? Ate kaya? It's a big one.
Yeah.
Gusto mo din, EJ? Malaki yan.
Dito ka. Dito ka sa...
100 ba naman?
Para makain sa ate. Lechon. Lasyang.
Wow.
Igilid na ito kami. Para gitna yung ulam.
O, try na nyo yung lechon, Pia. O, lechon.
Tastes crunchy, but it's still.
Oily.
I like it.
Oily.
It's a little, but it's good. It's really good.
Patry mo yung meat.
I like it.
Ah, sige. Oo nga. Isa pa. Ako na order. Ah, vlog kayo ah. Kayo. It's Lydia's lechon. Thank you po for the food.
I'll get you lechon. I'll get you one.
Oh yeah, I want some.
You want the fat or the...
What can you say? Like it?
This is the
I miss Filipino foods. Sabi ko, I miss Filipino foods.
Wow. Balik tayo sa Pero ang sarap nga.
Ano, nagustuhan mo?
Sarap.
Wow, nagustuhan natin yung AJ.
It's good. Masarap.
It's our first time here.
It's your first time
Yeah.
here? Really?
Ate Dayan just recommended because for you, it's easy.
Lydia's lechon.
Good, I'm serious.
When I'm working, I get lots of blood and after that when I work, I get lots of blood from patients and then after that, I'll order dinuguan.
Dahil na, okay? Huwag daw akong ma-feel bad.
Bakit daw?
Sabi ko kasi na awa ko sa kanya na hindi siya You show... tingnan mo yung bag niya. May nakuha daw siya sa banyo.
Ano yun?
Tingin na. Ano siya?
Kasi yan.
May pagkaano siya, klepto. Let's go. Sasama ba si EJ? Sasama ba si EJ? Yes or no? Hi guys, okay pa kayo dyan? Hershey, okay ka lang? Bibili tayo BLK.
Dito sa Friday.
Kakap!
Dito sa gitna.
Kakap! Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo? Ice cream? Yaw-yaw. Ice cream tayo. Okay? Okay. Tsaka... Hindi ko din alam eh. Ako ganun.
Outfit check.
Outfit check. What you wearing?
Coffee.
Ha?
It's Berkey Berks.
Baliktad. Ha? Sige. Thank you so much. Pwede pa kapit. Kapitan mo nga. Mag-vlog ka na.
Ano muna to? Break.
Dala mo yung stroller mo, Gabi. Walk tayo ha. Tara na, lalakad tayo. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you. Saan po yung Sanis?
Diretso lang.
Ha?
Finally, we're here.
Yes, after 10 years.
10 stops.
Ay, after 10 years, andito na tayo.
So, dami stop over.
Tama may ice skating, EJ.
Dito.
Gusto ni Hershey maganyan eh. Hershey magaganyan ka ice skating.
May time pa ba?
Ayan o. There's ice skating here.
May time
Small
pa
one.
ba? Para
Oo.
mag-ice.
Diyan ka na muna.
Ako mag-isa lang ako. Yung boring naman.
Totoong ice kaya yun? Is it?
I've seen videos on how to do it, but I've never done it.
You try it. You show the clip on. That's good too.
You like this one?
You try it on. Wow.
I like the style of this one as a regular glasses,
It's cute.
but I also like this one too.
You try it again.
Can you hold it? I think this one is a bit better.
Yeah, it looks good.
Do you like this?
And then you try the clip on.
Yes. I don't like the clip-on aspect.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the clip-ons,
You like it as it?
but I like the style.
Yeah. I like it too.
You like it? You want to get this one?
Yeah.
I like this one too. Let's do this.
Yeah. That's it. We can try more.
I really do like this.
You like that now?
Well,
Okay.
let's check out the middle one,
Yeah.
that one, and then that.
Magkano po yung sa clip-on?
Pag clip-on, ma'am, starting po siya ng 2,900.
May kasama siyang clip-on na.
Opo.
Ilan
Free
po?
siyang isa.
Isa lang.
What was she saying about the
When you buy that, it comes with one free clip-on.
clip? So I can get it no matter what.
Yeah.
So
Whether you
this-
like it or not.
I love this one.
You
I
like
also
that?
like this one a bad.
Yeah, it's nice too.
But I think this one
But
fits
I
me.
think I like this more.
You like this more?
Yeah.
I like it more too. You want to get this?
I want this one.
You want this one? Let's do it.
Uh,
And can I get it like?
Up. Wait lang po.
Can
There
I
are,
get it?
there,
Can we
yeah.
ask him if we could get it made today?
Can we get, pwede po makuha ngayon.
Kapag available siya, ma'am, 1 hour. Pero
1
pag
hour
in-mail
lang.
po, ma'am, 2 to 3 days.
Okay po.
What did she say?
If there's available like lens, you can get it like in less than 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay. Let's do this one.
Okay.
Are you getting one too?
No, I'm just trying.
I mean, I can get you a pair if you want.
It's just, it looks like the same. I got mine here too. This
Oh.
one's here.
But if you want another, I'm happy to.
You try this one.
Are these all for women?
They say it's unisex.
Ano daw
No.
katagal bigyan?
1 hour daw.
Absolutely not. No.
Para ano, mag-check up?
Makuha yung salamin na mismo.
Ayun, may prescription na?
Mm-mm.
What about this?
It's nice too. No?
I
Yeah,
like
get it.
the upper part that connects it.
Ano, EJ?
May prescription na yan?
Oo. 3,000. Tapos may clip-on pa siya.
Do you want to go get the lens made now so
Yeah.
we can do it?
Oo. 1. You choose which one you like here. They went here.
Oh, looks like similar to the stuff we
Yeah.
had at the.
But
other
this
store.
one's 250. 250. Pero iba naman yung quality.
Pati
Pero pwede na.
niya.
Sorry. Ano na siya?
Asan siya?
Andun, sa dulo. That's cute.
This is cute.
For you. The quality is good too.
Is that expensive?
Uh, $3?
$3? $3?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
You want one? You can get a...
Yeah.
Pero iba naman quality. Beta mo. Hindi, nalaki siya.
Oh, this one has
I
a
think
zipper on it, which is
you
nice.
should buy now for pasalubong.
Yeah, I'll probably do that.
Yeah, because
For me?
I don't think for yourself. Pasalubong para daw sa sarili niya.
Actually, like this, it has a zipper on it.
Yeah, it's nice. This one is nice too.
I don't think that one has a zipper.
No zipper. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's on. This one has a jeepney on it, which is really cute.
With
but
zipper?
it doesn't have a zipper for it.
Oh. We're same.
Nice.
We both like tote bags. Yeah,
I like that.
that's cute.
You see anything you like?
I don't not. Yeah, but we can buy that to the.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
What?
Wow, I like that for you.
You like it?
Yeah.
For the beach.
This is one of the traditional.
What size is that?
Small only.
Here is the barong.
Ang ganda.
Just like a barong. Or just 900.
I feel like I'm a mix between this one or this one, but this one feels lighter.
I like
I don't
the
like
design.
the design on that one.
You don't like this
I
one?
look better like vertical, I think.
Ay,
That
this
I
one
like.
is good.
You can use it to
I like this
secure.
one.
And then you wear short.
Step kapita mo.
I'll put it on over the shirt here and see how it looks. Yung maganda rin sa kapila.
Apilan mo nga si Sean para makapili
What
siya.
color do you want?
Just white?
What color is blue? But I'm just seeing how it fits on the shirt right now. I like, for like outer shirts, I like, oh, let me see the design on that.
Ayan yan. Hindi, pwede mo yan masuot sa Sikihor.
This one's for the beach.
Wear the Sikihor.
And then you wear short.
I like the color.
Ang ganda o 600. Compare mo sa Uniqlo.
I mean, I think it fits okay.
Yeah.
Fits good.
Very Pinoy.
I like it.
I like it. May salamin ba siya? Salamin?
You want me to try that one?
Ayun, salamin. There's a mirror there.
Bagay yung blue.
You can, mirror.
Ito?
Ikaw na.
Ganda na ng itsura niya.
Ah. Pero mura niya, no? Oh, diba?
I actually like this.
Yeah,
This looks
I like
good
it
on
too. Yeah.
I like this.
And the design, very
You
Pinoy.
like
ah.
this? It's so heavy.
Ayun.
The price is heavy too.
Bili ka din pa yan ng mga pulo-pulo.
I honestly think I really do like this one. Too.
Your shirt there.
Is it okay to wear like a shirt under
Yeah,
it?
oh, yeah.
Or are you supposed to wear it by itself?
You can use it with
Can
shirt.
be without or with.
Without anything
Yeah.
under it? Okay.
Because it's when you're in the beach, but when you're somewhere,
Huh?
when you're in the beach, you can do something. Nothing.
Ay, ang ganda. Kahit ako, gusto ko yan eh.
Wait, pumili ka din ka.
You don't like that?
It just
Ah,
feels
yeah.
too
Yeah. It's not, yeah.
I like, honest.
Hindi ka ganyan.
It's bigger. But the tela, it's like,
Friend mo.
it's like katsa.
It's like a what?
I like it.
Katsa.
You like this?
Pero malaki.
The other one.
Busy po. Mga pasalubong nila sa sarili nila. Busy. Tagapagmana ng kultura. Sana kaibigan din kita, EJ. Di pag siya sinelosan.
Oo.
Ayaw.
Ayaw. Galit. Ewan nga, dadala mo lang yung ano,
Broken size na nga niya.
broken sila.
Do you remember what time the glasses place closed?
It's until 9.
Everything is
Eight-
the same.
eight until
It's
eight.
It's like around 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, okay. I didn't know if it was like back home where it's like 6 o'clock is everything.
Sa inyo kayo magpapak ng gamit niyo.
Afternoon party area.
Sa kanya.
Nakita mo yung ano, yung lechon? May lechon na ano.
Sure.
I have a lot of shirts.
I want to get you something for letting me post it me and all.
I know, it's okay.
I do. Let me.
In Uniqlo. She likes Uniqlo.
I will buy later. For my shoe.
I like the wall paint. Ate, I like the wall paint.
Oh, and then the roof.
Ka-color ng room ko.
I should probably get some chocolate for my
Wala na
coworker.
pong small.
Oh, is that
Ah,
the-
there's no small anymore. I'll get the red one.
You wanted a small
Okay
for
po.
match?
Ay, nasan po yung red na lang na small?
Yung red na lang.
Apo, nasan po kayo? Binalik mo na ba?
You weren't able to find a small. I'm sorry. You like it when I do that?
You're fun.
Ano? Ah, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda rin yan. Oh, may jeep. How much po yan?
Is that a mini?
Oh, gusto mo taloy?
Ganda yun.
350.
May ringer po kayo na ganyan. Ringer shirt na ganito po yung...
Ay, ng mga ringer ito kay Pia, oh.
Patingin niya po.
Ganda niyan, Lloyd. 350 long.
May iba po color.
Patingin nga, Pia. Dito, Pia, oh. Patingin.
350 yan.
Tingin.
Okay lang, small. Malaki na
Ayun
nga.
sa mga book mo.
Looks good on you.
Ito ba parang ano lang? Plain lang.
Maganda din. Ha? Maganda.
You like it?
Check out time. Ito po yung mga napamili niya. From Cultura. Hindi pa rin sila tapos mamili. Patingin, Pia. Pia, patingin. Pia.
Ba't ito mura
Pia,
lang?
patingin. Yan, suot mo. Grabe naman yan. Prinsesa yan.
Wow!
Uy, Sean, it's your turn. It's your turn.
Ganyan ba yun? Wow. Parang hindi pa rin.
I don't like it.
Yung maliit lang.
Ano banana cue?
Yung-
Ay, banana cue. Yung parang wallet lang.
Oo. Malalagay mo lang din yung ano mo.
Oo, mga essential mo lang. Eto, oh, meron ito sa ano. Nasa na si EJ?
Yes.
Mga pang beach, oh. Sa mga kamagkano to? 200 lang yan sa Shopee.
Ano to sa ano? Oo, sa Shopee.
Nagsa-Shopee ka ba?
1,000 yan. Balik mo yan.
Huling-huli. Isun natin. Check out time.
Pasalubong niya sa sarili. Ito, this is for Ate Joyce.
Really? You will buy it for
You will
me?
buy pasta and scallop.
Thank you so much, Sean.
Where's the one for Ate Diane? Eh, for Lloyd.
Wow! Talaga, patingin. Cute.
Ay, wow.
So nice.
Sensory.
Bawal ata mag... Yan, Na-check out na po. Thank you. Ayan. Lalagay niya na po sa binili niyang bag. Saan? Ay, mali pala. O, di ba? Kaya pala siya bumili ng bag para sa mga pinag-shopping. O, di ba? Ang dami nagtitiklop. Bibidyohan natin mga nagtitiklop. Ayun na, ha? Ang cute, ang dami nagtitiklop. Ilan? 1, 2, 3.
Ito yung mga ano.
Be-blur natin.
About it, I guess.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po.
Louder. Ay, louder.
You take a picture.
Oo nga.
Alam niya.
Yes.
Ito yung mga ano.
Okay, picture kayo sila dito.
Jump shot.
Panty mami. Gab. Panty mami. Gab. Gab, panty mami. Panty mami. Gusto niya mga ganun joke. Puwet mami. Puwet.
Oh, sumebra ka na yun.
Eto, kaso, ano ba?
Bra party.
Kaso naman. Ano dapat?
Hindi, may damit kasi. May damit naman.
Ano ba, 32?
Hindi kasi may bra na siya pero parang maluwag pa din.
Hindi, pag sinuot ng ganito.
Hindi, pwede na sa pinaka.
Nasaan na? Mga inipin. Pia, maganda ba yung salamin ko?
Oo. Para ka ng tita tayo. Yung pinapatong ko dun sa wala pa.
Can I see? Wow! New glasses. Yeah, so nice. Pia, machi-machi. Woo!
Si EJ pa si.
Asa na si EJ? Mga fans po, ano masasabi niya sa new glasses?
Ganto.
Ang ganda. Worth the wait? Wow! Another one. Can you put it again? Wow! Nice one.
Meron pa lang. Sige sir, bakit dito?
Oh, tinanggal yung ano.
Huh?
Ito lang yung itsura na.
Pero ayoko nitong may dede. Gusto ko tong ganto. That's cute.
I like this style.
You want that? I don't like this one.
Yeah, but it's
Cause here, it should be here.
Huh?
Like, it should be like this. Sean, should be like this.
Should be like this.
Yeah, not on the neck.
What's the problem with the side?
Don't add this
Oh,
one.
so I'd have to do it like this with this
Yeah, but I don't like that one. What are you gonna put?
Oh, ang cute naman.
Huh?
Pwede po ba?
More colors over there.
I like this.
Can you show here, Sean? Here, Sean. Sean, can I see it? Wow. Nice.
Nakulay din ng damit ko.
I just need a straw.
Say 1, 2, 3, go.
Galing.
Kain ko lang siya nakitang tumawa ngayong araw. May tahi lang pala siya mga hindi nalabas. Okay?
Pwede pala siyang tumawa.
Yeah.
Ito na lang, ito malinis to. Gusto niya fried rice. Fried rice ko.
Hello, EJ.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Sabi ko, may sumisigaw sa baba. What's that? What's that?
I'm not sure. What is that?
Tocino.
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 Cuisino?
Yeah.
Pork?
Pork tocino.
Itinong ka na ako mga pinggan.
Is it sweet for you?
I say it's sweet and a little tangy too.
Mm.
Just go.
Surprise sa inyo.
Karating na ni EJ?
There's a lot of
Anong coffee yan? Parang hindi siya normal na coffee.
brewed
Brewed?
coffee.
Blue coffee? Brewed? Yeah.
You like coffee?
I love
You drink?
coffee.
Oh, wow. May pag...
Ay, pag ano ko lang pag ano ko lang
Saan siya i-G-san?
Sa Luciana, Laguna.
Laguna.
Sana.
Diyan lang, malapit lang dun sa ano. Bago maglukban. Ganun mag-usap ang mga American.
She's gonna ask you so many questions.
She is.
That's the first question.
First question.
That's where you at. And then many
I mean, I am happy to be interrogated right now. As long as I don't get shot.
Ah, sa
That's the wrong one.
Patrice is not here. She's
Patrice.
still working.
She's busy. Baby Gab Gab, hello. How are you, Baby Gab Gab? You eat na?
May vlog ka kagad.
I've been to Peru, Guatemala, and Ecuador.
Okay. Kind of the same. Low-key. Somehow.
Naramis na.
Sabi naman yung ano mo.
Oh, ang unti.
Are you ready for all my questions though?
Why?
I mean, I'm happy to answer any
I need to
questions.
find out if you're the right one.
I mean, she's a good friend if she's doing that, okay?
Banda dito yun.
Una ka na pala pinalis.
What's the first question?
Kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan ka o. Lahat na tatawid.
No.
You guys are so much alike.
We're twins.
We're twins.
Yeah.
Before,
Yeah,
before
I
we
like
don't
people
alike,
who-
but now we don't.
Oh, wait, for real.
Diba? Pinagkakabahan.
When we were younger, everybody thought that we were twins.
Seriously?
Yeah. We
We're
look
always
alike.
together like this.
Did you guys dress up?
And we have the same manners. Everything.
Hoy, kiskisan ko.
Wait, talaga.
She also...
You also have
she
kiskisan?
kiss phone. Like this phone,
Yeah.
she likes it too.
She liked it. You guys
She removes the bed sheet like me.
should remove the what?
Bed sheet
The bed sheet?
like me.
Wow. You guys oh my gosh. How nervous are
Sound
you?
nervous.
Ito pala biyang, ano yung kabayan?
Hindi nga ako marunong mag-English. Si trainer si Jordan. Hindi.
Uy, hindi ko nga alam yung pag-uwi ko. Sabi ba naman, uy, akin na lang yung bag mo. Ang dami nang hingi. Sabi ko, ha?
Coffee is really good. Masarap.
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 No sugar, no creamer, just pure coffee.
Just pure love.
You want water? Ito ayaw.
You don't like plantain?
No, I'm not a big banana.
Hindi nga pala nakain ng banana.
Unfortunately. I tried them when I was in Guatemala. They're like really popular for breakfast and everything. And
Like
they just
yeah.
don't agree well with me, unfortunately.
Ano mo si AJ naman? AJ, omelette okra.
Ito, siya kumitas na.
Oo, nagustuhan niya ni Sian.
Ah, talaga? Okra?
Omelette.
Parang hindi mo naman ako pinagpipik pag na-uwi.
Ay, wala kami tanin ako.
Mamaya
Hindi ko daw siya, lagi nagseselos.
Kabaka
Hindi ko daw siya pinagpipitas pag siya.
punta kayo.
Ayan, madami
Jealous.
madami
Jealous
dyan.
of you.
She's still in my food.
Jealous. Ano ang pronounce mo?
Huwag mong galawin.
Ha?
Huwag mong galawin.
Ah.
Ang pronounce siya.
Hindi niya kasi naiintindihan ang mga pronunciation ko. Pronunciation? I told her you don't understand how I speak. Egg lang.
Oh, they're what?
You don't understand how I speak.
Oh, yeah. Well, when I first met you, it was kind of harder for me because I'm hard of hearing. And I know there's always a different accent, so it'd be kind of difficult. But
Yeah, but she's with you now.
You show your...
She'll eventually, learn that.
no, like on the call now, like I can understand her fine. It's just if she turns the lights off when I'm calling her, then it's just like I can't read your lips at all. I can't understand you very well.
Tanong si AJ kung gusto ng coffee. Black coffee?
Hindi pa ma.
Hindi siya nagkakape.
Hopefully you don't mind repeating.
Matcha siya. Makapabugas na ipigan. Bye-bye, EJ.
Set ako na.
Ano oras mo tayo alas siya? Minadali mo na.
Kakain nga ni!
You're done eating?
You eat more.
No, I'm full.
What
Ayan
else
pa.
you want?
O si AJ pa, ano yun? Kanin ni AJ.
Kuha pa eh, oh.
Mm.
Binalik yung kanin, tapos kukunin ulit. She brings back the rice I put on her plate, and then she gets more. Are you judging her?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, this is also my house, by the way, so you can't judge me.
You can't judge me because you're not a judge.
Bahay niya
I'm
lang
a
daw
book.
to. Tama, that's true.
I might have a bit of the fried rice. I didn't try any of that. This is smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to try and expand your palate with all the Filipino foods, and then if you don't like it, you can say no.
Oh, I have them.
Okay.
Ayun nga, binili niya yung eggplant. You bought the
Tanghalin.
eggplant yesterday. Because gusto niya try.
You don't eat eggplant back
Pero niluto ni Mama.
I never tried it really, to be honest, back home.
Wala kang ganun.
I live in DC now, so groceries are so expensive and I
Yeah.
work so much that I don't really even have time to cook. So I
Right.
don't have to buy too
She'll
much
visit
that
you in
doesn't
DC.
last for a while.
Punta kami.
Yeah. So I can find out more about you. So what do you
She'll
do
visit
over
you in
there?
DC. She'll visit you.
She'll visit me?
Yeah, just to check up on you and you're not doing BS.
Ang sabi.
I mean, if you don't mind sleeping on the floor because I don't have a couch in my apartment yet, you're more than welcome to visit.
Saan cellphone ko?
Check mo.
What is this?
Baka biology mo.
Have you been to DC before?
I've been to
Bachelor of Science.
I've been to multiple states and
Yeah.
cities though, but that's really not one of my main ones to go. I've been around it.
That's fair.
Yeah.
But,
Like all like up north, west coast.
mm-hmm.
Definitely Florida because it's like right there by the beach.
No, I understand that. Yeah, DC doesn't
I
always
should
get-
definitely go over there because I know it's walkable. Is it?
Mhm. It is. It's very walkable. And there's so many good restaurants there, especially if you like Filipino food and Asian food in general. There's plenty to eat there.
Alright, but you also need to go where I'm from because we have the best food.
Oh, I'm not going to deny that. I know, especially if you like You know, like barbecue for one. Louisiana I've heard is really good for that. And seafood as well, which I'm a huge
Yes. I feel like seafood definitely our city is one of the best.
yeah.
Mostly like food though, because we were voted like
Yeah.
number one.
Well, I mean, Louisiana's kind of a melting pot. So
Yeah.
you get a lot of different cultures, just like LA, for example.
Hindi yan yung luto mo. Palengke yan.
The show is cooked for me.
What's the number one Filipino food you think you miss living in the U.S.?
Ilan taon ka na sa...
Even if you can get it home.
Tatanong kasi na siya.
10 bucks.
10 years?
Tenured.
10 years na.
She's now US citizen. US citizen.
U.S. citizen? Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, I've been here for 10 years now.
Is it a hard process? Well, it's not like
At first, yeah, it was, but you know, eventually you'll learn for it because I don't have no choice.
Sure doesn't help with the current administration either. Doing a whole lot of horse shit.
Yeah.
Next question.
Ako nga ang tinatanong niya. Ako nga ang tinatanong niya.
Hindi mo na ako sanay na yung notes mo.
Nilita ko nga pala kagabi. Kunento ko na rin kala mami. Sabi ni mami, ay, mapuntahan nga bukas.
I told EJ it's a secret.
Total what?
Secret. Don't be...
Oh,
And she's like, I already told it to my mom. And her mom is
Sabi ni
like,
daddy, ay, intayin ko kayo bago kayo lumabas para makita ko.
eh, di mo pinapasok.
Well, I also told her I don't want you telling her about it until she's ready and comfortable. So.
Nahihiya din po siguro.
Sino?
Si daddy po nagapit ako.
Papa mo?
Hindi mo siya habi.
Bukas nga.
Oo.
Bukas.
So, inaman ito.
What was your reaction when she told you about me? Were you more shocked
She's
that she
mad.
didn't tell you?
Mad.
Or
I
shocked?
wasn't mad. I was just like,
How you could have told me that?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same.
This has always been shy though.
Mm-hmm.
Opening up.
Udo naman. It's a tie. Shit.
No.
Yeah, this is her house.
Yeah. It's no longer yours. That's her house.
My bed is her bed too.
So where do you guys sleep then?
I mean, are you comfortable sleeping on the couch or on the
I've
floor?
slept on a floor for like a month while I wait for my bed. I'm pretty sure I can handle a couch.
Yeah.
Pagising niya, katabi niya yung sinabi. Nasa kwarto ko siya. Ang good.
So how long are you gonna be in the Philippines for?
Till July 24th. Like almost a month.
That's pretty sweet.
You're jealous of EJ. She has like almost 2 months vacation.
Yeah, every time I come home, I make sure I come
He's
home
like,
for like.
what? How?
Yeah.
Why my work just give me 2 weeks?
I'm jealous. I work in accounting, so I can't take that much time off, unfortunately.
I mean, I can too, but I just fight for it.
She's
I mean, if
I work at the hospital.
They have 1 year ban.
Yeah, I get banned afterwards. So whenever I come back home, I get banned from taking off for like a year. So I can't go nowhere.
That's fair.
But it's fair though, it's fine. As long as I can take off for 2 months, that's fine.
Totoo yun. Wala na talaga.
But nga ako. Kabalasin na
Last
ako.
year, she was banned. Last year.
Oh, really?
Ba't saan ka pumunta last year? New York.
So last year, my family from over here, they went and see us over there.
Mm-hmm.
And every weekend, we have to go somewhere else. We have to go visit. We went to Miami, we went to New York, we went to Vegas, everywhere.
Ilang days?
And every time we go, it's like 4 minimum days, 4 days, 5 days.
Sa'yo?
Mm-hmm.
Not that bad. But it's every week.
Yeah, that sounds nice though.
Work niya 5 days per week.
Sino
Your work is 5 days per week.
Gusto pa nila.
5 days PTO or 6 day holiday for 4th of July.
Ba't yung kinuha
So
ng
you
family?
get
Hindi,
2
pwede
days
kayo
off
bibigyan
that
mo.
day.
Yeah, I didn't have to take that much PTO. My biggest fear is like, because I work in public accounting with a large firm, so like
Ito lang nakuha.
getting
Ah,
banned from them for like
Ah,
fire
marunong
things
ka na
or
lang.
somehow
Magate.
really impact
Magate.
later on jobs. So I have to
Iba na lang.
ay, ikaw ba na?
That's fair.
yeah.
Ah.
But I'm also a new hire, so I don't think it should be as much of an issue like next year. Like once I've been working there for a while, they'll be like, yeah, if you want to take 2.5, 3 weeks off.
Yeah.
She'll go where to next year. She'll go here again next year.
Oh yeah, I'll go here
With
again.
TJ.
Ayos naman tayo.
Oh,
She's
bakit?
not afraid to slap you.
TJ. Tender
Ikaw lang dapat to.
with TJ. You know TJ?
Yeah.
You know ako na lang.
Sino yun?
Sinabi ko eh.
Yeah, I'll go with you. We can visit Pia together.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna stay over here too.
You go to the market together with the head pigs.
And with the fish.
Tingnan mo yung picture niya.
I saw the market yesterday. That was an interesting experience.
Would you go back?
Yeah, honestly.
You get used to it.
I
Nandun
actually
sila
enjoyed
yung
it.
ano baboy.
No, if you're good, ibang sasalita.
Asan?
For your day one, they took you to the
I
market.
was holding the big sets of.
Sa palengke. Oo nga.
Gusto niya bumili ng talong.
Did you ask for a discount?
No, I'm pretty sure I got the
You're
gringo
supposed to
price.
bargain. You know that?
Si mama, grabe makapag-bargain. Galit na yung mga tindera. Nawala na lang ng gana, sabi mama. 270, ano lang yan, ito mo. Wala pang 1 kilo.
230 na lang.
200 na lang.
Ah,
Sabi ng 200 lang. Sabi nung tindera. Wala, libre na nga yung ano, pagtanggal ng ano yung boneless kasi yung ano,
Bangus?
yung bangus. Libre na nga daw. Eh.
I was telling her about how your mom was complaining about the price for a little
Tama,
bit.
Terno kami.
this is the picture I showed EJ. And
Or I
she's
look like
like,
a
this
jeepney
is,
driver.
sabi ko pa jeepney driver yung gantong ano.
Di ba ganyan yung suot ko ka?
Kanta.
Sabi ko, masundan niya yung sa akin.
Si Papa daw to, si
She
Papa.
said you said I look like her dad for a second or something like
No,
that.
because the day before that, I was over here
Mhm.
and we were playing, and he was wearing the same thing as you. He had the hat on, walking around, cleaning it up. That's why I said, oh, that was him.
You thought she was bullshitting you or
Yeah.
something?
But she noticed your arms are different. Look, it's
Pwede niya,
different.
Pia. Pwede niya itong iba.
Yeah, I'm going to start.
Mati, maganyan ang mga suot ni Papa pag nakalabas ko.
Oh, ito na,
Balik naman yun,
ito na
December.
yung pangarap niya. This is your dream.
To ride
Be a
a
tricycle
tricycle
driver.
driver? You need another dream to be a
She's
jeepney driver.
loving your dream.
You still need to ride on a jeepney.
He drinks.
Beer, you like it?
I love beer.
And
I
red
actually
horse.
enjoy the taste
Oh,
of
really?
it.
Red horse too.
Then again, I'm Irish, so drinking beer is kind of like in my blood.
Yeah. What else are you looking forward to like do and see over here?
Okay, honestly, like when I came over here, I didn't really have too much ideas. Just kind of wanted to experience like what she experiences, like her culture and all that. But like I know we are going to Singapore, so she was telling me about like some nice waterfalls there. So I'd like to see that. Do like a diving with her. She's never gone scuba diving before,
Ano to? Pag hindi ko naiintindihan, pag di ako nakafocus.
so do that. But then
Wala
just
na
going to
subtitle
Manila,
dyan.
like checking out the shopping areas and stuff like that.
Wala na,
That
wala
with
na.
her.
Ay, sorry.
Pretty
We're going to the mall.
Oh, into the mall.
Yeah.
Later. And she's like, I'm coming with you.
Yeah, she keeps telling me I need to get some glasses. I'm practically flying without them. Every time I'm calling her,
She's stealing
I'm
my
looking
Oh
around
yeah,
the metro.
it's cheaper if you
Yeah.
get it from over here.
You just want to do eyes like that.
So you never get your eyes checked before?
Yeah.
We have one before, but he left it somewhere.
Pia, sino mag-ano sa mga drive?
Ate Dayan.
Eh, mag-ano na guys.
Magaling ka na,
Para mapa kayo.
Yeah.
May hanggang bukas pa.
Oo, saan yun? Sa sasakyan. Sa sasakyan
Di ba
na
nga ako nga hotdog?
Sasakyan na kayo.
She's gonna sleep here.
She's gonna sleep here.
She said,
Yeah, I'm
this is my
gonna
bed, this is you. She's the divider and this is me.
Yeah, I have to make sure.
I bet your mom would love that.
Sandwich.
Si mama natatawa pero
She's gonna be the hot dog. Yung hot dog
Sandwich
na
nga.
hot dog pillow. You know the hot dog pillow?
Hot dog people, kakawin-kawin.
Oh.
So you know a lot of Filipino words now,
I know a few.
Si OA. OA.
huh? A.
Yeah, I'm very overreacting and exaggerated.
That's right.
Oh, maliligo lang. Tanongin mo sa iyo.
Ay,
Ito yung sa
hindi
ano?
That's what that is?
Yeah.
I thought it
What's
was
that?
the same.
Bagrate.
Zip tie stuff
It's the
in.
same texture. That's what it
Traders
is.
Joe. May S ba yun? Wala pa. Traders.
Imported yan. Pati nga ang laman,
Medyo.
feeling ko imported yung mga nasa loob yan.
Meron siyang, wow, gamot
Wow.
sa chan.
Vitamins.
Power bank. Ay,
Wow.
wala. Wow, may wifi.
A mobile hotspot?
Yeah, you connect to her.
I had a
Roaming.
SIM
Pinag
card
ka siya
already,
SIM card
though.
eh. Wallet,
Your wallet?
driver's license. What else? Wow, lipstick. Lip. Or the lips.
Kinalkal mo na lahat.
Alcohol. And, wow, wipes. And then,
Ay, nakaano siya? Mukha parang socks.
it was big before, but her mom put it in the dryer. So it shrink like this. Now I try to put it on my face.
It's a mosquito
It
net.
doesn't fit.
I think he needs mosquito
Ano siya,
net.
agad ng malamok.
Uy, ako din. Sinabi ni mami, ba't ang lalaki ng pantal mo? Yung parang ano.
Saan galing dito?
Hindi ko din ano eh.
Baka
Baka.
dito.
Mosquito.
Yung ang titigas pa nung ano niya.
What? Bug bites?
It's
You
all
can get
my
a lot
leg.
of them too?
Yeah.
They're all on my ankles for some reason. Don't bite my arm, you just bite my legs.
Gusto mo lang ano?
Alagyan mo ng ano yung mga yung ointment.
Yung parang makating.
Oo. Siya yung naglagay ng
Ang titigas
ointment.
pa nung ano.